baby girl.
What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome to my YouTube channel. For those of you who are new, I'm Kayla. Go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you already haven't. Today, as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do homemade hickeys, fake hickeys, with eyeshadow. I do have a video on my channel how to do it with marker. I will link that down below so you can see how to do that. But in this video, I will not be doing that. So, I'm going to go in with my color palette. This is the most colorful one that I have. And I'm going to go ahead and start with a pink. I'm going to go with this pink right here. And you guys can put this anywhere on your body. I'm going to do it right here. Actually, let me use the mirror. You guys see that? It's already looking pink. Then you're gonna go in with a red color. I'm gonna be going in with this one right here. Oh, almost dropped it. All right, you guys, make sure you're not putting too much, or else it will not look believable. This is how it looks so far. Then you're gonna go in with purple, and I have to find a purple, so give me a second. Right, I'm gonna go in with this palette, and I'm going to be using this purple right here. You see how that just completed the look? Perfect. And if you want it a little bit darker, you guys can use a brown, because brown gives it more of that bruise look, you know? Alrighty. Then you're going to want to wipe off your brush from all those excess colors. Then blend it in. Make sure all the colors are all together. Let's go ahead and do a close-up. This is how it looks. This one is a little dark, so that's what happens when you guys add the brown. I'm going to show you it without the brown now. So like I said, you're going to go in with the light color first, which is pink. Then you're gonna go in with the red. And then the purple. Dust off your brush and blend it in. Alright, so this is how it looks without the brown, and then this is how it looks. Let me get closer. With the brown, without the brown. And you guys can put these hickeys anywhere on your body. It doesn't have to be on your neck. I'm just showing you a quick little example. And that's basically it. You just put 3 colors, the same 3 colors as the markers, and you got yourself some hickeys. Alright, you guys, that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button down below. You will not regret it. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.